everyone and welcome. I almost spilled my coffee. I'm so happy to finally present to you the project that I've been trying to keep a secret for the last half a year, I think. It's a series of 25 lessons that attempt to show you how to use various grammar aspects in a practical context. Each lesson focuses on one or more grammar topics which are illustrated in a set of conversations, usually 3 or 4 short dialogues. The series starts with the basics such as the verbs a fi and avea, and it increasingly becomes more complex with each lesson. It covers a great variety of aspects including indefinite article usage, building the plural, verb tenses and moods, pronouns, adjectives, and a whole lot more. Being a conversational series, vocabulary obviously plays a very important role. That is why every lesson is based on one or more useful vocabulary topics, such as ordering in a restaurant, going shopping, talking about your day, describing people, going to the doctors, and so on and so forth. I wanted this project to complement my grammar book. My intention was to provide a more practical approach in addition to the theory in my book. Because while my book provides all the grammar explanations you need to get you started with the language, the conversational lessons show you how to use that knowledge in everyday dialogues. So, my idea was to create something that would help you understand how grammar can be used in real-life conversations, and this way bridge the gap between theory and practice. That's what this project is all about. Despite the enormous amount of work, I had so much fun creating this series and I simply love the way it turned out. I have put a lot of thought not only into the entire concept of combining different dimensions that are essential to language learning, but also into the visual execution. And I just hope you guys will like it too and that it will provide learning materials that are both entertaining and useful at the same time. I will upload a lesson every week beginning with this week, so if you aren't a subscriber already, make sure to subscribe to my channel to get notified when a new lesson's up. Now, I would like to take this opportunity to thank 2 of my dear friends for their amazing help, Vlad and Frank. Vlad has helped me with the English translations, and if it weren't for him, I would have definitely needed considerably more time to get everything done. And Frank has assisted me with very helpful advice throughout most of the project whenever I had questions. And believe me, I had tons of questions. So if you're watching this, thank you so much to both of you for your invaluable help. And I would also like to thank you guys for your patience and for your support. I know I haven't been very active lately here on my channel, but it's only because I really wanted to finish this project at last. I've been editing like crazy, especially during the last month. And now I can finally breathe relieved. I would also like to let you know that this Sunday I'm traveling to Romania for 3 weeks, where I'll be going on this tour I was talking about in a previous video. I can hardly wait to see all these beautiful places that are in my plan and enjoy a well-deserved vacation. I'll catch up with you guys when I come back, so until then, have fun learning with the new conversational lessons and let me know what you think about them. Be happy!